If you want to record sounds on your POCO X7 Pro, then you can use a recorder, which you can for instance find in the app drawer. So let's look for it, and it looks exactly like this. This is the default recorder app that we have on our device. It is pre-installed, and there we go. Now over here you can start recording by pressing this red button over here, and there we go. Now we are recording. While recording, we have the silent mode enabled. We can pause the recording at any point, and we can renew it again by pressing the play button. You can also make those timestamps and certain checkpoints, let's say, and of course you can remove them as well if you think you made a mistake or something. Once you are done with the recording, you can simply press this red button again, this check, in order to save the recording. If need to, you can also find some options over here. Here we have some settings that might be helpful. And here we also have different categories as well. And that's pretty much it. All the recordings that you make will be stored over here in all or the recorder section. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.